NNG UX Atlas Studio utilizes a microservice framework to serve the content that drives applications. By using a microservice framework, heavy computation is offloaded from the UI engine. Use the NNG UX Atlas Service Manager to install, manage, and monitor the various services needed to create a complete in-vehicle user experience. Let's begin by installing a media service that was created by a software development team. And in order to get audio, we'll also install the audio service. Now let's activate both of the services. Once installed and activated, the user can monitor the service data via the console. Although services themselves are developed outside of the NNG UX Atlas toolset, they provide an API or service interface to NNG UX Atlas tools, as shown here in the Services panel of the project. This allows a developer to have the interface they need to connect the application GUI to the underlying services. A front-end scripter, or even a tech-savvy designer, can create the application logic and function calls to the service from within the project. Here we see some of the project scripts making calls to the service. The application logic and functions can be bound directly to the properties of UI elements within the application. As we see inside the song info component, function calls to the media service have been bound to the text fields for the artist, song, and album labels, as well as to the source property of the default album art image. This code will replace the default labels and image with those from the service. Use the same process to connect the rest of the GUI to the media service to complete the application development.